Here's everything you need to know about the most advanced AI language model of ChatGPT, GPT-5. In this video, we're going to break down its capabilities, the upgrades from previous versions, and exactly how you can start using it to boost your productivity, creativity, and decision making. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. Let's start with the main feature of GPT-5, natural language understanding and generation. While previous versions like GPT-4 were already powerful, GPT-5 takes things to a whole new level. It's faster, more accurate, and has a much deeper grasp of context. This means GPT-5 can produce responses that feel human, emotionally intelligent, and even persuasive. It doesn't just give correct grammar or facts, it tailors responses to your style, tone, and even your intended audience. For example, if you're a student, GPT-5 can simplify complex concepts in ways that are easy to understand. If you're a business owner, it can draft professional emails or proposals that sound like you wrote them yourself. And if you're a creator, it can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, or even suggest entire social media campaigns. But GPT-5 isn't just about writing. It's multimodal, which means it can understand and process text, images, and even structured data. For instance, you can upload a diagram or chart, and GPT-5 can explain it, summarize trends, or even make predictions. You can also input a photo, and it will generate detailed captions, suggest edits, or create content inspired by it. By combining text and images, you can get rich, interactive outputs perfect for presentations, marketing campaigns, or even learning materials. This makes GPT-5 a one-stop AI tool for almost anything you want to create or analyze. Now let's break down what sets GPT-5 apart from GPT-4 and earlier models. First, accuracy and context. GPT-5 can remember longer conversations without losing track of details, which is ideal for projects that span multiple sessions or require deep reasoning. For example, let's see if it can remember the research paper I asked it to make about quantum and metaphysics last week. As you can see here, it says it does remember it, so let's see if we could go back to where we left. Now let's try to go a bit further and ask it to generate images about some parts that needs to be highlighted. And there you have it. GPT-5 has proven its longer memory feature and even improved image generation. But here's where it gets exciting. Just a year or two ago, making an app with AI meant using GPT-4 to spit out bits of code. It could handle a simple backend or a rough web page, but it was not smooth since developers still had to debug, connect the pieces, and clean up the design. For non-coders, the best option was the GPT store, where you could build basic chatbot-style apps without writing code. Helpful, but very limited. Now, with GPT-5, instead of struggling with broken scripts or clunky prototypes, you can create a complete, functional app from a single prompt. And these apps do not just work, they are polished, responsive, and easy to use. It is like going from building a car out of spare parts in your garage to having a brand new finished model delivered right to your driveway. Now, anyone could literally build any app they want. For instance, earlier this morning, I asked ChatGPT to build an app that when I enter my current weight and fitness goal, it'll instantly generate a weekly meal plan as well as an exercise routine. So what you want to do is just give your prompt to ChatGPT and provide some details about the app you want to build, then it'll do the coding for you. Now once it's finished, click here to expand your canvas. Then, if you go up here, you'll see that you can either download it and finish everything if you know how, or let us know if you want a complete tutorial for that. But in this video, we're just gonna run the code for the sake of showing that ChatGPT can really build an app easily with its newest GPT-5. As you can see here, it really built everything and made it an interactive app, where I can just put in my current weight here, as well as my fitness goal, and it updates the entire plan in real time. As for pricing and access, if you're using GPT-5 inside ChatGPT, the ChatGPT Plus subscription is $20 per month, and includes GPT-5 access with faster responses. API access is available with pay-per-use pricing, which is scalable for businesses and developers. Many platforms also offer limited free trials, so you can test GPT-5 before subscribing. Compared to previous versions, GPT-5 offers better value because you get faster, smarter, and more versatile AI without paying exponentially more. But the question remains, should you upgrade your subscription? If you need professional level AI for content, research, or business, want faster and smarter outputs, or work with images, data, and text together, upgrading to ChatGPT Plus is definitely worth it. But if you only use AI occasionally, free versions are fine, though you'll miss out on the speed, context retention, and advanced capabilities GPT-5 delivers. And that's it for today's deep dive into GPT-5. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, developer, or creator, this AI has something for you. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.